and did that all with hot glue gun in a dream. So
Yeah.
well, it's not boring. It's just it needs a little. I found the pool noodles, but she abandoned me with Zane.
Hi. Oh wait. Hey, hi. It's Mads. And welcome back to my channel.
Hi, how are you? I have Paige again. It's been a couple weeks since I made her that Halloween costume, and she...
No, I loved it. I loved it.
I didn't say you didn't.
I thought you were gonna say that I didn't wear it again.
Kind of.
I did wear it, and it's hung up. It's hung up
She
on
loved
my
it.
wall. It has its own little spot on my wall, and I'm gonna make a new hook once I figure out what's going on in my room.
It's fine. I just mean to say that you've commandeered me and my channel again.
Yes.
You want a headboard.
I want a headboard.
Well, you
My
just
room's
moved
boring
back.
right now.
It is.
Yeah.
Well, it's not boring. It's just, it needs a little more.
Yeah.
It's just a little empty. And it just needs, I think your bed needs something to ground it. And you're really wanting to go with some like funky colors.
Yeah, I want to go with a dark blue velvet.
Okay.
And I want it to be a circle.
Yeah, well,
And I want lumps in the circle.
Well, you saw that pool noodle
TikTok.
She wants that. And I went, I could probably make that for you. And she went, okay, could you do it now?
Please?
Please? So that's what we're gonna do. We need to head out first to grab a couple of things to make this project work. But I'm pretty sure you'll have a headboard by the end of the day.
I think so. I have some helping hands.
We've got some helping hands. Your boyfriend is visiting.
He's here.
So I've got 3 sets of hands. So I'm thinking this project would take me like a couple of afternoons. I'm hoping it's just gonna take me 1 and we can get this up for her and she can enjoy it.
And I also get to go shopping.
Shopping, shopping, shopping. It's our favorite sister activity, I think. Shopping.
Shopping.
Shopping is, yeah, I'd say that's, should we get a Starbucks? I think we should get like a Christmas Starbucks.
I think brothers should get a Starbucks.
Yeah, I think Jordan should buy a Starbucks. Okay, that's what we'll do.
Okay.
Oh, I like to see you wiggle, wiggle, for sure.
I see you do jump, you know, right at my feet.
Are they?
Oh, my car's dirty.
You wanna what? I'm gonna do a taste test. It's really sweet. What did I get?
Is that gonna fall?
No, it should be fine. I got, oh, it is, no, it's caramel brulee, CRML. But I got it with the blonde espresso. It's good. It's really sweet. I should have gotten it half sweet.
Is it not the same thing?
I don't know.
Am I gonna hit the thing behind me?
Maybe. Okay. Okay. This is not the worst thing I've ever had in my life, but it's gonna give me a headache.
Have you had the chestnut praline one?
Mm-mm.
It's good. The only one I haven't tried is the sugar cookie one.
Oh. I don't think you should be sleeping next to it. Yeah, that is like supplies. Where we don't have all of them go all the way down. Like we kind of have them stop where your bed sits. Yeah.
I think we should do that anyways.
Or else, yeah, it's not gonna sit up against you. Yeah, we'll fit it to your bed and I'll mark it and we'll. Are you ready?
They're really big, but I think they're breaking up right now.
Oh my god.
Is it downstairs as well?
I found the pool noodles, but she abandoned me with Zane. I'm calling her. I'm getting the $2.99 one. These bad boys. Yeah. Yeah, come look. I think that's like exactly where you wanted it. Oh, I'm sorry, Jill.
Well, because that's just the middle part, right?
Yeah, and then the pool noodles will take up that much space for sure.
That's cute, because it's just literally just...
Yeah, put it up against the side. Yep, that works for me. I think that's gonna be super cute. Okay, this is the side I marked for your outlet. So this is the side that's gonna go. That's gonna be the back.
That's where your bed is.
Yeah, you just like get it as.
Same like bread.
Huh? Yeah, like it's.
Tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend to get over you again. You said it was the last time. You keep coming back to tell me sorry you have changed now.
So we didn't finish last night. It just didn't happen. We had way too much fun running around that it was already getting dark by the time we got back to Pages. It was getting way too late. It was getting way too dark out. I couldn't film anything and my little ring was done. So I got as much done as I could and I am at a good spot. I really think I can get this done in the afternoon. Paige and her friends have gone out for the afternoon, so I can kind of surprise her with the finished product, which will be fun for us to do. At this point, I have the hole cut out for her outlet. I am going to put electrical tape like around this outlet for an extra layer of protection. I think it will be fine, but I just want to make sure that it's as protected as it could be. And we're gonna get started on finishing the project. The first thing I'm gonna do really here is knock off the corners with my handsaw of the board. We were looking at it last night and just the way the pool noodles are shaped and the angle we want to create, we're just gonna have to knock off the corners a little bit, no big deal. I'm just gonna use my handsaw and then sand it down, and as long as the pool noodle hides it, I think it will look fine. And then we can move on to getting the rest of the pool noodles on so we can tuck the fabric.
But life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, you're better off tomorrow. But who knows if you get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't trade your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might, yes, but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know. But sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end.
Okay, I have the noodles all on. They look really good. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and they are pretty sturdy. There's a couple spots that I had to go back and like reinforce, but I think that's fine. Oh, it's not one of my videos without this angle. There's a couple spots I had to go back and like reinforce with some tape, but other than that, it looks good. It seems pretty sturdy. I did that all with hot glue gun in a dream, so that's that. The next step is to get this fabric on.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter, that you're with someone else.
Alright friends, at this point it is just a bunch of stuffing and gluing, just the same stuff I've been doing. I probably got another, I don't know, 30 minutes of it left to do. I think it's really cute. Okay, I'll see you guys in the reveal in a minute. We'll see how she likes it.
The end, I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, my best friend.
This was really fun. It's a project that I wouldn't have done on my own, and I still feel like I could improve, but for a first shot at this project, I think it went really well. What do you feel like?
I like it. I love it.
Do you love it?
Yeah, no, it's fun.
Yeah, I think the color you picked is really amazing.
I'm going for a certain vibe here, so.
Yeah, and this is like the start to her room. So if you are saying, hey, me, hold, she just moved in. This is like the start.
Trust me,
We're
I know.
starting, she knows.
I know.
She knows. We're just like wanted to kind of go piece by piece by piece and really make sure you love everything and like do this in a way that makes the most sense for you as a young lady.
Yes.
Do you have any parting words?
I love it. Maddie almost drilled a hole in my wall.
I did not.
She used my 2 counters as a saw table.
I did.
And it was great.
I'm guilty of that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this week. I know this video structure is a little bit different than what I normally do, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing Paige. She enjoyed seeing herself. She's gonna love watching this back.
Oh, yes.
She's gonna watch this video on repeat. She's gonna be
On
all
the
my watch
TV.
time. Yeah, she's gonna be like, oh, I'm a star. So comment down below if you think she's a star, because I do. She's a star in my heart.
I am one. I am a star.
She is a star. She really fucking is. Okay. I will see you guys next week. Love ya. Bye. Is this your sign off?
Yes.
Okay. You're a natural.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to
Hey,
Paige.
bitches. Hey, hi. It's Paige, and welcome to my channel.
It's not your channel. Get the fuck over. She's convinced it's her channel, but it's not. Oh, look, we're kind of matching.
I'm here all the time, so why is it not?
This is, I think, your second appearance. Maybe your third.
Oh, my fourth.
Of 50-something videos? Is that how it works?
Yes.